Hi guys, this is Josh Chick here, and for today's video is I'm going to show you on how to connect your Soundpeats Watch 2 to your smartphone. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel. And for today's video guys is I'm going to show you on how to connect your Soundpeats Watch 2 to your smartphone. Okay, so we have here our Soundpeats Watch 2 guys. As you can see, there's a QR code. So all we have to do is we're going to scan this one using our smartphone's camera. Okay. Alright, so it says here open in Chrome. Okay, by the way guys, I'm using an iPhone to connect our Soundpeats Watch 2. So it is now downloading guys. Right guys, so it is now downloaded. So this is our Soundpeats Live application. So let's tap on that one. Okay, and let's turn on our Bluetooth. Okay, and Live would like to use Bluetooth, so tap OK. Okay, now guys, we need to turn on our location. Okay, so let's go to privacy and turn on. Alright, so this is now the home screen of the Soundpeats Live. You need to log in guys. So in my case is I will be using Facebook here. So Live wants you to use your Facebook account. So tap on continue. Alright, so let's open in Facebook. Okay, so I'm actually using my partner's Facebook account. So guys, once it is already okay, then you will have this options here. So confirm. Okay, and this is now the Soundpeats Live application looks like after registering. So let's tap on add device. Okay, so guys, it has detected our Soundpeats Watch 2. Let's tap on that one. Okay, allow Live to use your location. In my case, I just press allow while using app. Okay, and on our watch, it says receipt of mobile phone binding request. Is it allowed? So let's tap on OK and pair. Alright, and allow Soundpeats Watch 2 to display your iPhone notification. Just tap on allow. And that's it guys. So you will have your watch connected. Okay, so it's very easy. Download Soundpeats Live, register, and connect this one. Okay, so in our Soundpeats Live, you have here different kinds of applications. So we have here heart rate, dial settings, heart rate sensor. So you can tap on automatic or manual. Then there's also message notification guys. So if you want to turn on like your WeChat, QQ, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Instagram, Messenger Line, Skype, KakaoTalk, and other notifications. So you can set this one on the application. Then we also have here DND mode or do not disturb mode. So you can turn it on here. Alarm. Okay, you can set that one. Then there's also sedentary reminder. So this is sedentary reminder guys, especially if you're sitting for a long time. So you need to have some time for you to stand up so as to promote blood circulation. Then there is also incoming call notice. So let's tap on that. So it means whenever there's a phone call, then you will be notified on your watch. Then raise up arm to light up screen. So you can turn on that one. Then we also have here bright screen time. So 5 seconds, or you can set it 10 seconds. And for the time format, you can easily set this one as well. So you can tap here 24 hours. In my case, I like the 12-hour format. And then we also have here weather synchronization. So you can also use this one. Okay. Yeah, for the weather synchronization. And what else? So we also have here sports. Okay. And when you press home, then you can see the kilometers that you've walked, the kcal, and the hours and minutes, and the steps is also here, heart rate, and there's also your sleep monitor, so light sleep or deep sleep. Then we also have your oxygen level here, right, and your weight. Okay, in my cases, I actually did not set this one, so I just did this for the sake of showing you. Then sports. So we have here you can see running, walking, cycling. So you can use. In my case, I will be using the app. It's in here. Okay. The my. Then you have here your profile. Okay, I will just hide this one, guys. And then for the settings, so you have here your account security unit settings, guys. You can change it to British or metric. Okay. Target steps, you can set this one as to how many steps you want each day or each time that you do exercise. Then third-party service, so you can connect this one to Apple Health. So let's turn that one on as well. Allow. Okay. Okay, what else? So I think that's basically it, guys, for the tutorial on how to connect your Soundpeats Watch 2. Okay, and you will know, guys, if our Soundpeats Watch 2 is successfully connected if we scroll down, and then let's try to tap on Find Device. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, our smartphone is making a sound, guys, so it means that it is successful. Okay, so I will also be making some tutorial, guys, later on how to set your watch face. Okay, so guys, if you have any questions, just comment down below, and if you like this video, guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing, and then don't forget to hit the notification bell for you to be updated of our latest smartwatch and also tutorials. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.